we guide you through how to record Google Meet video call. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Meet session and make sure you are the host or have permission to record because recording is the only available for certain accounts like Google Workspace. Once inside the meeting, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the three-dot menu. Then, select Record Meeting. A pop-up will appear asking for consent. Click Start Recording, and everyone in the meeting will be notified that recording has begun. While recording, make sure your microphone and camera are properly set so everything you need is captured clearly. When you are done, click the three-dot menu icon and press Stop Recording or simply end the meeting and the record will stop automatically. After that, Google will process the video and the file will be saved directly to your Google Drive under the meeting recordings. And a link will also be sent to your email. So that's it. Simple, fast, and no extra software needed.